Go. Went. Gone. I will go to school tomorrow. She went to the park yesterday. They have gone home already.
Eat. Ate. Eaten. I usually eat breakfast at 7 a.m. He ate a sandwich this morning. We have eaten all the cookies. See. Saw. Seen. I always see birds in the garden. She saw a rainbow yesterday. Have you ever seen a lion? Write. Wrote. Written. I will write a letter to my friend. She wrote a story last week. He has written 3 books. Speak. Spoke. Spoken. I can speak English well. She spoke to her teacher yesterday. They have spoken about the problem. Drive. Drove. Driven. I will drive to the market. He drove to the city last night. She has driven a car for years. Begin. Began. Begun. Let's begin the race now. The rain began suddenly. He has begun his homework. Run. Ran. Run. I run every morning. She ran very fast yesterday. They have run 5 kilometers. Break. Broke. Broken. Don't break the glass. He broke his phone last week. The vase is broken. Choose. Chose. Chosen. I will choose a red pen. She chose the blue dress. They have chosen a leader. Sing. Sang. Sung. I love to sing songs. He sang beautifully yesterday. She has sung in many concerts. Swim. Swam. Swum. I I can swim in the pool. She swam across the river. He has swum in the sea. Fly, flew, flown. Birds fly in the sky. The plane flew to London. The jet has flown many times. Drink, drank, drunk. I always drink water. He drank milk yesterday. She has drunk coffee already. Fall, fell, fallen. Don't fall on the stairs. He fell off his bike yesterday. The leaves have fallen from the tree. Give, gave, given. I will give you a gift. She gave me a pen yesterday. They have given us help. Know, knew, known. I know the answer. He knew my name. She has known him for years. Take, took, taken. I will take a picture. She took the book yesterday. He has taken the medicine. Show, showed, shown. Please show me your homework. She showed her painting to the class. He has shown great kindness. Stand, stood, stood. I stand in the line every day. He stood by the door yesterday. She has stood there for hours.
Please subscribe to our channel, share, like and comment. Also follow and save on Instagram page. Thank you and see you soon in next video.